In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create icons in Figma. By the end, you'll know how to find quality icon sets in the Figma community, bring them into your workspace, and place them directly into your project for rapid design work. Start by opening your browser and heading to figma.com. If you're not already signed in, you may be prompted to log in, which ensures you can open and copy community files into your own drafts. Once you're on the website or inside the Figma app, look for the community section. This is where designers share resources like icon libraries, UI kits, and helpful templates. In the search bar, type icons or the specific icon you need, such as filter icon. You'll see a range of files from different creators. Take a moment to preview a few options. Look at the style, stroke weight, and whether the icons are outlined or filled so they match the visual language of your project. It's also a good idea to quickly review the file description for any usage notes from the creator. When you find an icon set you like, open the files page and click Open in Figma. This brings the community file into your workspace so you can access the icons directly. Once it opens, you'll see frames or pages that organize the icons. Use the regular selection tool to click the icon you want. If it's part of a group or component, one extra click may be needed to select the full icon rather than just a single path. With it selected, press Ctrl+C on Windows or Command+C on Mac to copy it. Now switch to your own project file in Figma, open the page or frame where you want the icon to live and paste it with Ctrl+V or Command+V. The icon will drop into your canvas, and from there you can position it, scale it, and style it. Because most community icons are vectors, you can adjust the fill and stroke colors from the right-hand panel, tweak stroke weight for consistency, and resize without losing quality. Hold Shift while scaling to maintain proportion, and use the alignment tools to keep spacing tidy with nearby elements. That's it. You went to Figma.com, explored the community, searched for icons, opened a template, copied an icon, moved to your project, and pasted it in place. With this workflow, you can quickly build consistent, polished interfaces without redrawing simple symbols from scratch. Thanks for watching, and happy designing.